Do you have ghosts in your house? It might sound like a silly question, but think about it. Strange noises at night, cold spots in certain rooms, or even objects moving on their own. These could be signs that you're not alone. Many cultures believe that spirits linger in places they once called home, and some even say they're drawn to strong emotions. Have you ever felt a sudden chill or seen a shadow dart past the corner of your eye? Those moments can send shivers down your spine. Some people claim to have had conversations with spirits, while others rely on gadgets like EMF meters and spirit boxes to communicate. If you suspect your home might be haunted, consider doing a little investigation. Keep a journal of unusual occurrences and see if there's a pattern. Remember, whether you believe in ghosts or not, the stories and experiences surrounding them can be fascinating. So, do you think you have ghosts in your house? If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.